We're going to be talking about self-management and how making the right choices, and this is how you teach them to make the right choices, is to allow them to learn how to self-manage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with zucchini. I never have more than 2 pieces in my hand. So in my hand I have 2. I'm going to close it up like this. I'm going to ask him to come over here to the board, and what you're looking for is you are looking for them to disengage with the hand at any level. You can see how he's chomping away at my hand. We'll do it right here for a minute. See, he likes zucchini, so he's trying to get at it. It's closed in my hand. There's no way a tongue can get in it. Yes, good choice. The instant that he disengages from it, I reach out and I give him that. I'm not looking for him to do anything. I'm just looking for a disengagement. Yes, good job. Distracted by the deer out there. Okay, so now we've gone to carrots. Yes, good job. Not looking for any different behavior. I hope you can see that. I'm going to get him out on the board now because he's being, actually, it's pretty good. Yes, good job. Okay, so what have I got here? We're going to go to red peppers now. Okay, so I'm going to put them on the board. So we're going to move down here. Come on, moment. Hop up. What's cool about the board is that they have to settle. Yes, good job. Because if they wiggle around, they'll fall off. Good. Yes, good. So he's trying to figure out, is it sit or do you just want me to disengage? Moment, left the board. Don't care what he's doing. Yes, good job. Yes, good job. So he's making some different choices, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to not let him, as soon as he backs away, I'm going to open. If he doesn't leave it, I close. Yes, good job. Nose is pretty close. Now I know that he's not going to touch it, so I'm going to get some more in here. So the key is now I'm at open hand. Yeah. Oh, gotta be fast with your hand. Yes, good job. And it's not going to happen as fast as this. Good job, but that's what you're looking for. You're looking for close it, open it, give it to them. Close it, open it, give it to them. Awesome. And then don't get stuck in one thing like this. I'm going to get him off of there. Up here. Where you go? Oh, flip it over. That's it. Good boy. So I'm tossing a treat away. Get him into active. Excuse me. Thank you. Get him into active mode. Ready? Go get it. Go find it. Go. Use your nose. Mister. And don't ever let anybody tell you not to toss treats on the floor. These are sniffing dogs. These are hunting dogs. These are perfect. They're perfectly capable of tracing a treat and still being able to do stuff. So he's offering, I want to be on the board. There you go. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here a little bit, and I'm going to use the board a little bit. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the floor. And I hope you can see this. I may just tip it down a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Actually, I'm going to do it right here. Yeah. I'm going to place this. Thank you. Good boy. Can you see him? This is a big green pea. Clearly, he likes peas. So we've gone back to step 1. If you ever regress, just go back. Yes. Yes, good boy. So I just went back to step 1 because clearly that's a pretty exciting treat. And you can try it. They'll react differently with different things. So this is the one that he really, really likes. Now, that's his new one. Now, what I'm going to do, this is step 3. So he's offering his behavior. Keep it in your hand. Keep your hand covered. Open your hand. You see it right there? It's right there. And he's out of the way. Pick it up and give it to him. In your hand, on the floor, Open your hand. Be prepared to cover it if they dive in. Okay? So if they dive in a couple of times, then you step too fast. So I'm going to switch up to green, the big one. So now it's in an open hand. So this is a little bit advanced. See that? Good boy. So I'm going to switch, and I'm actually going to give him one out of the bin because he stepped. So his open hand on the P. Closed it. He made a better choice, right? So now you see I'm going to be mixing these up. So I'm going to put a red pepper on the ground. And here's the key. The key is you want them to look at it, because imagine this, you've seen my videos of squirrels and all that sort of stuff. You want them to look at it because they're allowed to look at what they want. They're just not allowed to be goofballs. It's called self-management. You won't know what they want if they're not looking at it, so that becomes very confusing. So allow them to look at it and then give it to them. So then if I was going to progress again, I would go 1, and I would go 2, and I would go 3. Yes. 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 Now I know some of you are saying, yes, we've seen this. We've seen this in our class. It's called the hot dog game. Now you don't have me in the picture, but that's okay. You don't actually need to see me. So you've seen it put on feet. I always get it back in my hand. This is a red pepper sitting on his foot. That tickles because he's got a lot of hair on his foot. So he's like, oh, it's there. There you go. And he's saying, okay, I'm going to back up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to